I'm Lindsay Lyons. Just a little bit about me. I am married. I have a sweet little dog named Oliver, and I am an aunt, and I love being an aunt. These are my two nephews and niece, Max, Everett, and Clara. I love hanging out with them. A fun fact about me is I love Disney and Marvel. I am a seventh grade teacher at Lakewood Middle School. I teach science and social studies. Here's kind of a picture of a fun staff spirit day that we had. One of my goals for kind of short term is that I'm currently in the transition to teaching program, so I am looking forward to finishing that and officially getting my official license. And I would say my longer term goals are probably to maybe be a team lead one day, or I would also be interested in trying out high school and teaching biology, anatomy, and genetics there. So that would probably be maybe a long term goal that I would have. I think what I would want to learn from this class is really my own ideas about curriculum and how to better help my students learn and find ways that prepare them for their future. Thanks.